I decided to go into medicine because I think the thing that was the original trigger for it was my mother's death of breast cancer when I was just beginning college. And I also had a tremendous mentor. One of my friend's father was an internist, and he was sort of like a family physician kind of internist. And I really took to that right away. I thought that's a great life to live. The reason that I chose geriatric medicine was I attribute that to my wife. I was on the faculty here, junior faculty member back in the 80s. I was focusing on primary care internal medicine. My wife was a geriatric social worker making home visits for the county. She came home one night and said to me, you know, the group of people that really need more doctors who understand them are the older adult population. They have needs that you guys aren't taught in medical school. And so I got very interested and I said, really? So I started working with some doctors in the School of Public Health and in the Division of Geriatric Medicine, and I thought this is the area that I really want to focus on. What excites me each day is that taking care of older adults is pretty amazing because, first of all, they respect their doctors for the most part, and they often do what we tell them to do, which is kind of refreshing. Plus, we're really getting to know the family because you can't really take care of an older adult. I mean, a frail older adult, that's really what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about a 65-year-old who just retired and is playing golf. I'm talking about people in their late 80s, early 90s. They've got caregivers, they've got people who are involved with them, and they also oftentimes have children and grandchildren who love them, who want them to be able to remain as functionally strong as possible. And I really like being involved and understanding the whole family dynamics and seeing what I can do, not so much to cure diseases at this point. That's not really what our focus is when people are in their late 80s and early 90s, but it really is to help keep them as functional as possible, help them enjoy life to the fullest, and also help the family understand what's going on with them in their medical problems.